Hey guys, it's Max Van over at SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today I'm coming at you with the all-new Racer Guide 3 Short Cuff Motorcycle Glove. Alright, so the all-new Racer Guide 3 glove retails for $121.99. Keep in mind we don't update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. So we can jump into sizing. I'm wearing a large in this glove. I wore a large in the Guide 2, the previous model is this as well. And I know right now it fits amazing, super comfortable. Once it breaks in, it's going to be even better. And if you're curious on sizing, Racer, we have a badass size chart that is listed on the SportbikeTrackGear.com website and the Racer Gloves USA website. We can put it on the screen somewhere here for you guys to take a look at that and measure your hands and get you sized up. So the Guide 2 is an amazing glove, and we just made this one even better, and I'm here to show you some of the differences. So the first major improvement on this new Guide 3 glove is going to be that the index finger and now the thumb are touchscreen compatible. For you tech-savvy riders that like to pull over on the side of your road, maybe got to change a song, call or text a buddy, you are going to be able to do that with these gloves. There's a new dual Knox SPS palm slider system. These are called the low profile palm sliders. So when you grip the handlebars in any way, shape, or form, you're really not going to lose feeling when it comes down to pushing on the bars with the lower scaphoid here, because these are basically flush with the leather. With Knox palm sliders, all my race gloves have them, and I crashed a couple weeks ago at Road America, and when I went down, I put my hands down to try and brace for impact, and the Knox palm slider saved me. It's a hard piece of plastic here. Of course, you have it there, but this is the biggest thing. That's the one you want. And when you're sliding, it's just a smooth glide, and when you try and grip the leather might try and grab and pull you back, and it could injure your wrist, your hand, and when you don't have your hands, to be honest, you really have nothing. So another huge feature that I am super stoked about, the ventilation on this glove was good before, now it is even better. If you look, we have some hard TPR protectors here that have almost like a metal looking mesh wire on the inside that'll let air flow through the gloves throughout all three fingers here, and then it'll vent through the back, of course, and also coming out through the ventilation holes right here. Another big thing is we made the padding underneath the Guide 3 a little bit thicker, and also the grooves that are cut into the knuckle slider here, the knuckle protector, they're all the way through now. So when you make that full fist, everything, all these grooves bend in a nice case scenario. And of course, you do have the padded protector here for the ulna. And these gloves, in my opinion, are super awesome. They're the most comfortable street gloves that I've ever put on. And when they're broken in after thousands of miles or hundreds of miles, whatever you want to call it, it is even better. All my coworkers here that are riding on the street love them. I've sold hundreds of pairs last year, and I'm going to continuously do so. And I'm happy with the revamps on this Guide 3. So let's talk about who this glove is for. If you're just riding on the street and you want the maximum amount of protection without losing that awesome experience, fit, and feel, the Racer Guide glove is for you for a reasonable price, listed at $121.99. And I love this thing. I've got a couple riders as well that are running supermoto, and they crash when they put their hands out. They're using the dual Knox SPS palm sliders that save them, and they're able to ride another day. So if you got any other questions, you can leave them in the comments, and my father and I will answer them, or you can give us a call at Racer Gloves USA or at SportbikeTrackGear.com. Shoot us an email, do whatever you want to do, and we can get you in the right size and the best street gloves on the market. Thanks, guys.